New colors for table tennis rubbers are available: blue, green, pink, and purple. You also have red and black. Recently, there are some changes in table tennis equipment rules. Some players love this change, but other team doesn't like it. What rubber colors are allowed in table tennis before 2021? As you know, since the beginning of table tennis, we use black and red as the two main colors for the table tennis racket. Nowadays, for the same brand, black rubber and red rubbers share the same playing characteristic, but some players can feel the difference between the black and the red one. There is a reason that the top Chinese players only use black rubber on their forehand side, and you often find the red Tennessee rubber than the black one. New colors rule for the racket after 2021. Here is the new official color rule for racket. Instead of the current color of black and red for rubbers, different color of red can be used on one side, while the other should remain black. The ITTF has approved 4 new colors of rubber, which will be available for the use from October 2021. The 4 new confirmed colors are blue, green, pink, purple. The black color remains imposed on one side of the racket, normally on the forehand side, so that people with color blindness can clearly identify the two coatings. This is essential to properly identify the pimple or anti-topspin used by some players. The black-red combination can still be used, black on the forehand side and red on the backhand side. What did the pro say? England #1 player Liam Pitford think they will choose to stick with red and black even when they get the chance to change later this year. Liam said, "If I had to choose, probably blue, but I think I will stick with the red and black, to be honest. I don't really see the point, but if they think it is going to make table tennis more appealing, then why not? I don't see that many people changing, but it is just another rubber, and I'm pretty sure it will play exactly the same." So what is your opinion? Do you think this change interesting and necessary in table tennis? Please comment below.